Unit 6, Past and Future, Lesson 3, Careers, Vocabulary. Listen and repeat.
A college. A college. A college. A high school. A high school. An elementary school.
We were students at the same elementary school. Now we're students at the same college. They were students at the same high school. Now they're students at the same college.
I was a student. Now I am a teacher. He was a child. Now he is a father.
We used to live in an apartment. Now we live in a house.
I used to have a bicycle. Now I have a car.
She used to write letters. Now she writes emails.
When you were in China, did you teach English?
Yes, I taught English.
Did you play soccer when you were a child?
Yes, I played soccer.
Did your mother read this to you when you were a child?
Yes, now I read it to my daughter. Did you used to live with your friends?
Yes, but now I live with my wife.
Did you used to have a dog?
Yes, but now we have a cat.
An office. An office. An office. A factory. A factory. A store.
He's a manager in a store. She's an employee in a store. I'm a manager in an office. They're employees in an office.
I'm an employee in an office. I'm a student in an elementary school.
I'm a manager in a factory.
I'm a student at a college. What do you do?
I'm a manager in an office.
What do you do?
I'm a manager of a restaurant.
What do you do?
I'm a teacher.
Lesson 3. Careers. Speaking. Listen and repeat.
I was a student.
We were young. You were a baby.
You were young. They were green.
He was a child.
They are dirty. They were dirty. They are green. They were green. You were high school students. Now you are college students.
You were an employee. Now you are a manager.
The socks are white. The socks were white. Her hair is blonde. Her hair was blonde.
Are your children elementary school students?
No, my daughter is a college student. My son is a high school student.
What does your daughter study?
She studies art.
What does your son like to study?
He likes to study science.
When you were in China, did you teach English?
Yes, I taught English.
Did you play soccer when you were a child?
Yes, I played soccer.
Did your mother read this to you when you were a child?
Yes, now I read it to my daughter.
Did you used to go to the mountains?
Yes, but now we go to the park.
Did you used to play tennis?
Yes, but now I swim.
Did you used to teach art?
No, I didn't teach art. I taught music.
Did you used to live with your friends?
Yes, but now I live with my wife.
Did you used to have a dog?
Yes, but now we have a cat. What do you do?
I'm a manager in an office.
What do you do?
I'm a manager of a restaurant.
What do you do?
I'm a teacher.
Where do you work?
I used to work at a store. Now I work at an elementary school.
What do you do?
I teach music.
Lesson 3. Careers. Pronunciation. Listen and repeat.
We were young. Now we're old.
I was a child. Now I'm an adult. This elementary school student likes science. This high school student likes history. This college student likes music. I'm an employee in an office. I'm a student in an elementary school.
I'm a manager in a factory.
I'm a student at a college. Where do you work?
I used to work at an office. Now I work at a high school.
What do you do?
I teach history.
I lived in Rome. I was a child when I lived in Rome.
You lived in Paris. You had bicycles when you lived in Paris.
We waited for the bus. It was raining when we waited for the bus.